can bring our pets?
Yeah. What?
Hi, Brownie. How are you, Brownie? Okay. Now, I think we're gonna have a good class today.
Hi.
Our teacher's name is Professor Chris. She should be coming any time now.
Yeah.
We're gonna learn something today.
Yeah.
What are we gonna learn today?
Math.
Math? About letters.
Yeah.
I
I'm
can
singing the ABC.
maybe we can spell our names too.
Yeah.
My name is Christina.
My name is Ellie.
And that's Brownie. Hi, Brownie. Can you spell your name, Brownie?
Brownie doesn't know how to use a pencil because he's a dog.
Oh. He can only bark.
What?
Oh. You scared me. You don't know.
What's Professor Chris?
Hello, class.
Ow, ow.
Ellie, Professor Chris is here.
Hello, relax, class. Okay. We're gonna be learning today. Hello. We're gonna learn about numbers, maybe, and some letters.
Yay.
Okay. First, Christina.
I'm here in the back. Can you see me? Hi.
Okay. All right, class. Okay, back up a little. Now, who can tell me the numbers 1 to 10? Who can count?
Me.
Can you raise your hand? Okay, go. Who are you?
1, 2.
What's your name? Oh, Ellie. Okay, Ellie. Count 1 to 10 for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, that's good. How about you, Christina? Can you count 1 to 10?
Yes, of course.
Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Go ahead, you got one more number.
9. 9.
No, one more is all together.
10.
10. Good job, Christina. And then now, how about you? Why is there a dog here in my class?
Professor, we don't have a dog sitter, babysitter. Brownie is just a baby. That's why we have to bring
Okay,
him to
Brownie,
school.
you need to go.
Oh, I see. Okay, only for today, okay?
Yay.
You can have Brownie here. Just don't poop on the floor. If you do, you will clean.
This is how it just pooped on your face.
Ellie will clean up, okay?
Okay, this is how it just pooped on your face.
Okay.
Okay, Professor, can we learn about letters this time?
Okay, now
Okay.
let's sing the ABC.
Okay. I can do it.
Okay, Ellie, you do it. Go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next I want you sing with me.
My friend is so good. I'm so good, so good, so good.
Very good, Ellie.
It's Ellie!
Oh, Ellie. Very good. I'm gonna give you a good grade today. Everybody in the class did very good, including you, Brownie.
Yay! Thank you, Professor Chris. Professor Chris, are we gonna have a class tomorrow?
Yes,
I'm hungry. Is it lunch?
Yes, it's gonna be recess now. We can have our vegetables now. Or what do you have for lunch, Ellie?
I have grapes and blueberries and pancakes
Yum, yum.
and waffles.
Very good. Always remember, you have to eat your lunch in school. You have to eat your sandwiches. You have to eat your vegetables. You have to eat your whatever you have. Maybe your fruits. Maybe your apples. Okay?
Yes, Professor.
Daddy, after my recess, I always have lunch.
Okay, say bye-bye.
It's okay, class. Class is dismissed. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, class. Bye, Brownie. Bye, Ellie. And bye, Christina. Good job today, class. Bye. Bye.